One of the most common causes of printer problems is a poor physical connection. This can affect the quality of your prints, the speed of your printer, and even prevent your printer from working at all. In this section, we will show you how to check and resolve any issues with the physical connection between your HP OfficeJet printer and your computer or network. First, make sure that your printer is plugged into a working power outlet and turned on. You should see a green light on the front panel of your printer indicating that it is ready. If you don't see a green light, try plugging your printer into a different outlet or using a different power cord. Next, check the connection between your printer and your computer or network. Depending on your printer model and setup, you may be using a USB cable, an Ethernet cable, or a wireless connection. If you are using a USB cable, make sure that it is securely connected to both your printer and your computer. You may also try using a different USB port on your computer or a different USB cable. If you are using an Ethernet cable, make sure that it is securely connected to both your printer and your router or modem. You may also try using a different Ethernet port on your router or modem or a different Ethernet cable. If you are using a wireless connection, make sure that your printer and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can check this by printing a wireless network test report from your printer's control panel. If you see any errors or warnings on the report, follow the instructions on the screen to troubleshoot them. Finally, if you have checked and resolved any issues with the physical connection between your printer and your computer or network, but you are still experiencing printer problems, you may need to update the drivers or firmware of your printer. You can do this by visiting the HP support website and downloading the latest software for your printer model and operating system. Follow the instructions on the screen to install the software and restart your printer and computer. By following these steps, you should be able to check and resolve any poor physical connection between your HP OfficeJet printer and your computer or network. This will help you fix your printer problems in 5 minutes or less. Sometimes your HP OfficeJet printer may show error messages or blinking lights on the control panel. This can indicate a problem with the printer or the printhead. To fix this issue, you can try resetting the printer and reseating the printhead. Here are the steps to do that. First, turn on your printer and wait until it stops making noise. Next, disconnect the power cord from the back of the printer and from the wall outlet. Wait for at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Then, reconnect the power cord to the wall outlet and to the back of the printer. Turn on your printer and wait until it stops making noise again. Now, open the ink cartridge access door and wait until the carriage moves to the center. Remove all the ink cartridges from their slots and set them aside on a piece of paper. Lift up the latch that secures the printhead and gently pull it out of the printer. Check for any debris or damage on the printhead and clean it with a lint-free cloth if needed. Reinsert the printhead into the printer and push it down until it clicks into place. Lower the latch and make sure it is locked securely. Reinstall all the ink cartridges into their slots and close the ink cartridge access door. Your printer will automatically print an alignment page. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the alignment process. You have successfully reset your printer and reseated your printhead. This should clear any error messages or blinking lights on your printer. If you still have problems with your printer, you can contact HP support for further assistance. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to fix your HP OfficeJet printer problems in 5 minutes. Sometimes, a software update can cause problems with your printer.